Welcome to my channel, Striker 24/7. Part 3, Asterisk. libpri installation. In this tutorial, we will be installing patched asterisk13, download from the vicidial website. Next, installing latest audio in libpri, downloaded from official Asterisk website. Step 15. Installing asterisk.libpri, create a folder name. Asterisk. Now move that asterisk folder. Now copy-paste the below commands, to download the asterisk, and libpri. Now copy-paste the below command, to unzip the downloaded files. Now we need to install first. Just copy-paste the below command, to finish the installation. Next, install libpri. Copy-paste the command to finish libpri installation. Next, install asterisk. Copy-paste the below commands. Now in menu select option, under application, select the app_meet me. Use enter button to select. Now press escape button. Again press escape button. Now press keyboard letter S to save the changes. Now proceed to the next commands to finish the asterisk installation. Finally type .e_cfg to make sure .e installed perfectly. Thanks for watching. Proceed to part 4.